Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where missing operating system not found error occurs on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's the thing, if you encounter this issue, you will not be able to boot into your computer except for the advanced options menu where you can open command prompt. So I will suggest entering these three commands in the command prompt window. The first one is bootrec.exe space hyphen fix mbr. The next one is with fix boot, and the last one is with rebuild bcd. Now I won't show it on the command prompt window here because that's not how you would be opening it when you cannot log into your computer. And what else can you do? See, the issue is that you are not able to detect the operating system on your computer. You're not able to detect Windows on your computer. So you'll have to try a clean install using a USB drive. I mean, there's nothing else that you can do because you cannot even log into the system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.